What's going on, everybody? Bones here with CAJUN RNEWBBQ. As you can see by the recent uploads to the channel, we are back. We are out of the Bill Gates 2023 internet shutdown for the area. Yes. So we are going to celebrate with some Chipotle 6-gun chili. If you remember, about a year to year and a half ago, I did the regular version of the 6-gun chili. It wasn't that hot. It was more mild to my taste. Wasn't no 6-gun to it. Wasn't no guns blazing at all, if I remember right. I'll link it up here at the top. It was just regular chili. So, waited around for them to actually put just a single pack version available. They finally did. I got it. And now we're going to go ahead and test it. See if it's going to be hot or if it's going to be like the Miller Knoll situation. Pity City. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Yeah. But anyway, let's go ahead and get into this chili. Stick around. We're going to get started real soon. We're going to go ahead and begin. As you can see, I've already started putting the ground meat into the pot. We're browning off that meat. It's going to take a little bit of time, just a couple minutes or so, to brown off the 2 pounds of ground meat. So, we're going to go ahead and stir that up, get all that ground meat browned off. I will bring you back once all the ground meat is browned off. It will take a couple minutes though. So, no need to have you sit through all those minutes. The ground meat has been browned off. Majority of the grease has been drained off. So, now we add in the diced tomatoes, juice and all. They state to add in the entire packet of Chipotle seasoning. Now, that might be a little too hot for you. Just add in a little bit. It wasn't hot for me for the normal stuff, so I'm going to go ahead and just dump in this entire packet of Chipotle seasoning. Might regret it, who knows, but I'm doing it as per directions. I know sometimes the internet doesn't like me doing that, but when I do my chili reviews, I do it as per the directions. Now, this is the bag of seasoning. You add in just a little bit. That is the tenderfoot chili. You add in about half of it. You add in, that's the outlaw. You add in the whole thing. That is the 6-gun. There we go. Now they state on the packet you can let it go for about 30 minutes. I don't do that. I let it go for at least a couple hours. Let it meld together. Let those flavors go. So, that's the way I do my chili. Now, if you want to thicken up your chili after that time frame, they give you some masa water, some masa powder, and then add that to a cup of water, and you can thicken up your chili. Add a little bit at a time. So when it gets to that point, we'll see how it is. But that's because they only want you to do it for about a half an hour. I'm going to thicken up my chili over time. So we're going to go ahead and turn the heat down some and let that just meld together over time, because I want the flavors to, you know, meld. So we're going to go ahead and put the lid on top of this chili and let it go. I've been checking on this. We're about 90 minutes in. Go ahead and take a look. We're not too thin, not too thick. In my opinion, just right. So we're gonna go ahead and stop the cooking. Go ahead and pull out a bowl of this chili and do our taste test. Now it's time for that taste test. Slight disclaimer. For the original recipe 1, it's the big seasoning packet. That it goes tenderfoot, then it's outlaw for half the packet, then it's 6-gun level for the whole packet. For the Chipotle brand, you put that whole seasoning packet in there, then it's, for the Chipotle, it's a little bit of it for the tenderfoot, then it's outlaw brand for half the packet, then it's 6-gun for the whole Chipotle. We went straight 6-gun level for that Chipotle. We not messing around, folks, because we looking for 6-gun level. We not looking for pity city here. No, no, no. We picking ourselves up by the bootstraps for this chili. That's right. We going straight for it. Hopefully this is some $26 million chili. That's right. Ain't naming dropping nobody. Let's go in for this chili now. Here we go. As the motorcycle group passes me up, they usually pass on a Saturday. This is a Wednesday. Maybe I'm missing something. Let me grab another bowl, another bite. This is first reaction here, people. Y'all saw me dump the whole packets in there. Didn't cut it. Getting a little warmth. You know, fire going on. Where's the heat? Where's the Chipotle heat? Bobby Flay would be disappointed. I swear. Like, where's the guns blazing? Where's Bobby Flay? There's no heat. There's no nothing. I've dumped a whole dang packet of Chipotle in here. I swear, there's nothing. There's no heat. I don't know, folks. Y'all buy it if you want to. You tell me if you find some heat in this. I don't know. Thank you for watching. If you like what I'm doing, you know what to do. I'm disgusted.